do the small things right. Although folding your sheets or comforters may seem small, they lead to a very big attitude. Like the US Navy Admiral William McRaven said, making your bed in the morning will reinforce the fact that little things in life matter. If you can't do the little things right, you will never be able to do the big things right. And if by chance you have a miserable day, you'll come back home to a bed which you made, and a made bed gives you encouragement that tomorrow will be better. And number 5, decide to help someone. Don't they say everyone you meet is fighting a battle that you know nothing about? Be kind, be helpful, invest the energy of empathy, love and kindness in people around you, and you'll receive the same back when you need it the most. Also, try to have a spiritual practice in your morning routine, a deeper connection which will illuminate your inside so you can brighten the outside. And after having done all of these, remember, जिंदगी की हर सुबह कुछ शर्तें लेकर आती है और हर शाम कुछ तजुर्बे देकर जाती है. Every morning will bring some challenges, and every evening will leave us with wisdom and experience with which we are ready to open our 2 gifts in a fresher way the next day, if we are allowed to.